Salam everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn something very special in Arabic. Are you ready? Shout with me. Yes, I'm ready. Perfect. Let's start. In Arabic, sometimes the sound is short and sometimes it's long. When the sound is long, we call it mad. Can you say it again? Mad. Wonderful. Listen carefully. Ba. That's a short sound. Ba. 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 Long sound. Bu. Short sound. Say it again. Bu. 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 Repeat with me. Bu. That's a long sound. Bi. 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 That's a short sound. Bi. Repeat it again. Bi. Perfect. That's a long sound. Let's try with another letter. Ta. Yes, perfect. Say it again. Ta. 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 That's a long sound. Tu. Great. Short sound. Again. Tu. Tu. Long sound. Tu. Ti. Short sound. Ti. 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 Long sound. Let's see another letter. Ma. 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 Mu. 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 Mi. 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 In Arabic, we have three special friends that stretch the sound. All of them come with no sign above them. The first one is Alif, and it makes a sound. The second one is wow, and it makes oo sound. The third one is ya, and it makes e sound. So whenever you see these letters, remember, it's time to stretch. Now let's play again. When I say the short sound, you just repeat after me. But when I say the long sound, stretch your hand and show 1, 2 fingers, like you are counting the lengthening of the sound. Okay, let's start. Ba. Great, just repeat. Ba. Okay. Ba. Now, start counting. Ba. Ba. Another one. Bu. 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 Bi. 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 Perfect. You are the Maad superstar now. Today we learned the difference between short and long vowels. We also met the three stretching friends. Alif, wow, and ya. In the next video, we will read real words with Maad. Get ready. It will be awesome. Don't forget to check the description for fun exercises. Practice every day and soon you will be a Maad master. That is the end of today's lesson. Practice more with the games in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning adventures. Salam!